up? Welcome back to my vlog. In today's vlog, I'm gonna be showing you around this beautiful park called Lalbagh. Actually, it's a garden. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video as much as I did making it. To give you the highlight, I went to this garden, I think almost 3 months ago. I went there because I wanted to enjoy this beautiful view and also clear my head. So much was going on, as I always mention in my videos. So I just wanted to clear my head and be with nature, because nature has always been a rescue when it comes to healing, and it's like a therapy for yourself, you know. So yeah, in this video I think you'll be going to see a lot of flowers, trees and things like that, because I captured every little flowers that caught my attention and also all the trees that caught my attention. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. Also, I wanted to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the love and support. To be honest, I make these videos just for myself, because years later I want to look back and cherish all these beautiful memories and relive them, you know. Bittersweet, I want to treasure them and hold on to them dearly as long as I can. But it really makes me happy when you enjoy all these videos that I put up on my channel, and I hope you continue to do so. Sending you lots of love, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Enjoy the video. Take care.
Hey guys, I'm tired actually. I've been walking and I am here, but I wanted to go near that big rock that we have in this park. Hopefully I'll reach there, but I feel like I have missed the way. I've lost the way. Off my chunk. It's so nice. Okay, this looks like I'm here. I'll show you, okay? It's here. I'll go from the back. Go from here today. Shulichku. The ways are not that very clean. Looks dirty. I just love this place. I just love this rock actually. Yes. Time. Last time I came here, I made a reels on this rock, I remember. But today I'm alone, so no reels probably. It's hot. Full video आपने. Thank you. This is my favorite. I'm gonna go sit somewhere and then I'm gonna have this ice cream and enjoy the view. Okay, this is something I bought. I have apple in here. I'm sweating. I'll show you something. Wait. I don't know this uncle, but I'm trying to focus on the pieces, you know? It's almost rain, so I'm heading home now. Bye. It started to drizzle. See, I was correct. It's starting to drizzle. And it's a different. It's so dark. I want to film, but no option.
านนะคะก็ปลาสลิดเลย
Okay, I'm going home now. It's boring. Bye bye.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I